Hello, Math 100 class. I just finished grading your quiz 3, and there were a few more struggles on this quiz than there have been on previous quizzes. So I want to pull up our key on our Canvas course and point out to you some common mistakes so you can hopefully get it straightened out in your mind before our midterm on Monday. In our Canvas course, the key is posted under Files, and then Quiz Keys folder, I'm going to the Quiz 3 key. Problem 1 asked you about fencing. Remember that you need to decide what category of of geometry formula you need. For fencing, you're talking about something going around the outside of the field, not in the interior. If it were the interior of the field, like planting grass, you would use area, but this was fencing, so you should have used perimeter. A lot of you used area on that one. Once you do the perimeter, you get your answer in feet, but it's sold by the yard, so you need to divide by 3 to get the yards. It's only a whole yard, so you have to round up to 57 before you multiply by the cost. Problem number 2. Two issues on problem number 2 were, first of all, that to use the cylinder formula, you need the radius, not the diameter, and it's the diameter that's shown in the problem. So you had to divide it by 2. A lot of you tried to do that, but got an answer of 3 instead of 4.5. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. That was the R that needed to go in here. Second issue was the conversion, that your answer, because the units in the problem are inches, your answer is going to come out to be cubic inches. So you need to divide by 1728 to convert it to cubic feet. The best problem was number 3. The trig problem actually went very well, so you can check the key on that one if you didn't do too well. I may have another video for you of a follow-up on this, but that'll be it for now. So happy studying for your midterm, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, you can start recording again. Look at that. Excellent. Okay. That answers that. Bye-bye.